Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out which folder is occupying more hard disk space in Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open any web browser and you need to search this application name as JDisk Report. Just search this application name in Google search. And once you search this application, you will see on the first list its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website. Now below here you can see download the latest version. Just click on it. Now you can see here, just select. You can select the, if you're using a Windows computer, then select for Windows. If you're using a for Mac, and if you're using for Linux also, it's available. So just click for Windows 32-bit installer. Now open the folder where it is being downloaded. Just let me close the web browser. So now just double left click it, run the software. Now click on next, click on next, click on install. So the installation has been completed. Now click on finish. Now you can see a shortcut of this application on your desktop. So before running this software, you need to download and install one more software. So for this, open again the web browser and just search this application name as Java for Windows in the Google search. And once you search this, you will see its official website on the first list. Just click on it. Now you can see here the download options, various download options. You can use any one of it depending upon your needs. You can choose the Windows offline, or if you want the online installer, then you can choose the online also. And if you want it for the 64-bit, still you can use the offline for 64-bit version also. So let me download the 64-bit as I'm already using a 64-bit computer. So just click on OK. So finally the application has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded. So let me close the web browser now. So just double left click it to install this application. Click on yes. Click on install. Wait for a few seconds until the installation gets complete. So the Java application has been successfully installed. So just close, click on close. Now let's try to open the application JDisk Report. Just double left click it. So you can see here the user interface. Now click on next, click on I accept, click on finish. Now you will get two options, open scan or scan the file tree. So you can choose either of the options. Just click on the first. So which you want to scan, whether you just want to scan this PC or the respective. So let's try to find out just the C drive, and I will just click on OK. Wait for a few seconds until the process gets complete. So finally you can see the results here. So you can see on the left side the different folders, and if you click on the plus symbol, you can see what are the different folders under the respective folders. So you can see here which folder is consuming more space on your respective hard disk drive. So you can see a folder name as Windows is occupying almost the half size of your C drive. So you can see the Windows folder is consuming 23.2 GB, and you can see on the rest the respective smaller size CBs. Then the second one, you can see in the files in this directory files, when in the program files, it's taking this much of space. So it's very useful to find out very easily without needing to go to the folder and just right clicking and viewing how much the size of the respective folder is. So using this very useful software named as JDisk Report, you can easily find out the size of the respective folders in the respective drives of your Windows computer very easily. And this software helps you to see which folder is occupying the most hard disk space on your respective drives of your Windows computer. So if you never known about this very tiny yet useful software, then you should definitely try it out by yourself. And if you find any difficulty in using or in understanding this application, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.